All right, we got a Milwaukee backpack tool bag here I bought a couple years ago. I'm actually going through my van, cleaning everything out, reorganizing everything, redoing everything so my van's nice. But yeah, this thing weighs some weight here. It's a good bag, no matter how you stack it, no matter how much stuff you put in it. One thing I like about it, what's it doing? It's standing up. So that has sold me on it. And it's lasted for 3 years. I've had 3 years, and I carry a lot in it and tug it around. So, things I put in it's just zip ties. I like these things. You got to have different ends, star bits, square tips, and the 1/4 inch to 5/8. I keep a few here, there, and hammer, 13-1, some zip ties, 5-1, some little ones. I got to have that extension, that 9-inch extension right here for. I use them for ceiling fans, to take ceiling fans down and put ceiling fans up, because some of them you cannot do it without that. So that comes in handy. So anyway, I got that, and then you can let this down some. I'll give you a peek in there. I got some latex gloves and hammer in there, and tighten it back up. Some of that stuff there, carpenter's knife, and we'll do this here. It holds a lot, man. I really like this bag. And 90% of what I have to fix is there, is in the bag. 90% of what I'll need to fix things is in the bag. So I always keep this in there, one of these with extra things in there. And there it is. I got my, my drill down here, my laser square footage tester, my moisture meters, multimeters, all my electrical screwdrivers for electrical work. This is to fix all kinds of things, but mainly I bought that to fix them commercial toilets in them, in gas stations and office buildings, commercial buildings with the toilets. That's, you gotta have that special wrench to work on them and fix them. So anyway, in here I keep pretty much, my extensions that I need, some sheetrock bits, extra things I got. These are great, these speed outs. That's for strip screws. No matter where they're at, no matter what you do, these come in really handy. The speed outs do. I've used these quite a few times, and they work wonderful. Just any strip screw, man, they'll pull right out of there. And this is the whole things that I used. I've never even used them ones. There's new, some socket tips and Allen wrenches in there. Basically, there I got some tape in here in that package. And then in the back, of course, you see the 2-foot leveler. Got a 2-foot leveler back there. And back here, I end up this is for all my electrical work. These are my electrical screwdrivers. Right here, in my electrical, test see if the electric's on, all my sockets and everything right there. My testers right there. I got another set of testers in the van, but basically back in there, that's back in there. I carry a staple gun, DeWalt staple gun with extra staples. And on the back, scissors attached to that. But man, you want a bag if you're in the market for a nice tool bag. I recommend this one. They make a different kind too. They make another kind too, just like this, and they make a kind that's even bigger. That's more expensive, but this right here does everything I need it to do. It's a great bag.